Okay, so we have two forklifts, this side with the jack, perfect, and the other side without with the directly forklift. We're gonna try to release the tension. Okay, go up. Just push on 4. They have to be the same distance. Ok, mira este que non lo va a romper. You have to be more inside on this way. Okay, keep going. Go up, go up. Up, 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 up. Starting to detach. Okay, let's do it here with the jack. Okay, and this side I changed because the forklift was not making it. And then we put this structure and see, it's lifted now. So now we are lifting the other side. And then we are gonna put it back down and everything should be